Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Vacation spots you can drive to after the quarantine period. Number 1, Tiny Pok River, Rizal. The Tiny Pok River is straddled by jaw-dropping rock formations carved thousands of years ago by the river itself. Sure, you can't actually drive in this place, but the view and the drive there are worth it. Note also that it has several natural swimming pools that are fed by one of the cleanest waters in Region 4. Number 2, Masungi Geo Reserve, Rizal. Protected by locals, Masungi Geo Reserve is home to dense forests and lots of natural rock formations. And due to its terrain, the place offers a lot of exciting adventure activities like rope courses, scenic helicopter flights, a peaceful garden stroll, and good old nature walks. Number 3, Las Casas Philippines de Acuzar, Bataan. Located in Bagac, Bataan, this historical landmark/hotel features Jose Acuzar's collection of restored Spanish-Filipino buildings. Also, note that the Las Casas Philippines de Acuzar is also surrounded by artificial waterways and the ocean nearby. Number 4, Donsil Sorsogon. The home to the largest shark species in the world, the gentle and awe-inspiring whale shark. Number 5, Pegu, Ilocos Norte. Pegu is a quaint little town with several ideal adventure locations you can check out. There's the Saud Beach with its long stretch of white sands and dancing coconut trees, Cabagan and Anuplik waterfalls, and also the Bantay Abbot Cave. And of course, there are the Bongi wind turbines which are a sight to behold. Number 6, Luljetta's Hanging Garden Spa, Antipolo. Well, aside from being a spa, this establishment also has a small swimming pool for the kids, a peaceful and serene natural atmosphere full of trees, and of course, the views are fantastic too since it's located on the side of a hill. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.